me tell your neighbor, TALKNADO came in person. Hold on. So if I leave them now, so if I keep quiet now, they will be laughing, smiling and shouting. We thought he said he's a member of TALKNADO. But look at him. They came to the entrance of your place and dropped it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dropped the full fowl without head.
Yes, sir.
And that is what they do. And before you know it, the person will die. And when the person dies, the family will run far. They will collect back the land and sell to another. But you have come to stay. My name is Kingsley Innocent. I'm the carrier of the prophetic mandate of the God of TALKNADO. The same way they dropped it at your gate.
Yes, sir.
By the time you return back there, Matata Lakapasutete would have eaten it and scattered it. If you go home and see it at your gate, you didn't meet me.
Thank you, sir.
There will be no sign. It won't happen in your body.
Amen.
You left that place where you live and you came to kill this one. So that is to say, death is good. Oh yeah, die.